Hey guys, what's up? This is Ajay from Maple Assistance. In case if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet or if it is your first time, then please go ahead, check out all my other videos and please do subscribe to this channel. This channel is going to add a lot of value in case if you're planning to immigrate to Canada, get your Canadian PR visa through the express entry process, or in case if you're struggling to crack your IELTS. In today's video, I'm going to discuss or I'm going to predict what would be the cutoff score in case an FSW draw happens on September 30th. On September 16th, Wednesday, when the whole world was expecting a PNP and a CEC draw, IRCC surprised us all. That's how they are, right? But this time it was actually a very pleasant surprise because the cutoff score came down from 475 to 472. So now I'm just wondering if the FSW draws are back. Given the fact that September 30th, the Canadian-US borders are also going to open, I seriously believe that September 30th could also be an FSW draw. So now, what would be the cutoff score in case we have a FSW draw happening on September 30th? So I really don't know. This is just a prediction video. Please don't, throw a lot of things on the comment. Just a prediction. Let's see what my prediction is in this upcoming video. Stay tuned. Guys, now let us go and predict what would be the cutoff if an FSW draw happens on 30th of September. So I have taken a couple of datas here. On September 2nd, I have taken this draw that happened on September 2nd. The data was published on August 31st. And on this range, like 600 to 1200, there were 364 people, wherein in the latest draw that happened on September 16th, the number came down to 331. In the other range, 500 to 600, there were 340 people. Here again, there was a decrease. The number came down to 302. In the range 491 to 500, there were 264 people. It was approximately equal for 259. 481 to 490 range on September 2nd draw, we had 655 people, whereas in September 16th draw, we had only 471 people. So this is the most important range, guys, 471 to 480. So on September 2nd, the numbers were 4,400, around 4,500, I should say, 4,482, whereas the number again decreased by a significant, 500 odd numbers. It came down to 3,914. So if you add, the total comes down to 6,105. Here it comes down to 5,277. So the total change between the previous two draws is actually 828. So the numbers are decreasing, which is actually a pretty good sign. So now let us take the number of invitations that was issued on September 16th. So the total number of invitations issued on September 16th was 4,200, correct? So, but the number of applications with 471 plus after September 16th is, I'm just deducting 4,200 from this number, 5,277. And it comes down to 1,077, but the number may not be exactly right because the data that we have is on September 14th, but the draw happened on September 16th. So there might be few people who would have created their profiles on September 15th and 16th also. September 16th early morning the draw happened, so September 14th end and 15th. So in these 2 days there might be few hundred people, so I've just approximated, rounded it off to 1,200. Okay, so now coming to the most important part of our calculation. So now assuming that in the next 14 days, so today is 21st, so then we are expecting a draw to happen on September 13th. So in the next 9 days, or taking the days together, considering the days from September 16th till September 30th, in these days, in 2 weeks, assuming that 3,000 people create their profiles and they have a score above 471, then the CRS might be around 472. 72 is not a possibility. 471. How do I say that? Because 3,000 people are entering the pool with scores above 3,000, and we already have around 1,200 people in this pool who are having a score above 470 plus. So now what happens is that the CRS score might get stuck at 471. If only 2500 people enter the pool with 471 plus score, then we have a very good chance for the cutoff to come below this 470 range. It can enter that high 460s range. Okay, there is a possibility, provided that the number of people who are entering the pool are less than 3000 or around 2500 range. Okay, so if you ask me what would be the cutoff if an FSW draw happens on 30th of September, I strongly believe that there is a good chance for the CRS score to be around this 470. Okay, so I believe 470, 471, 469 also, provided not many people crack their IELTS and they're not entering in the pool, right? So this is my prediction for an FSW draw if it has to happen on September 30th. Guys, remember there are various factors which plays a role in determining what the cutoff is going to be. So one important factor is the number of invitations issued. So in the past, we have seen that IRCC have even given 4,500 invitations in the month of February, correct? So, and after that, they reduced it down to 3,900. Now they are issuing it around 4,000 the previous last two draws. So if this 4,210 continues, then it's actually a good sign because it's quite a big number. So that might bring down the CRS score down. The second important factor is the number of people entering the pool. So now, given the fact that IELTS are now open, people are taking up the exams left, right and center, and most of the people actually take the computer based, are getting the results much faster when compared to a paper based test. So very good chance that results may be out during this particular 14 days span, and a lot of people might come out with really good scores and they might create their profile. So based on these two factors, the cutoff is going to play. But I strongly believe, as I told in my previous videos also, the cutoff cannot remain in the high 470s or 480s for a long period of time. It has to come down, it has to consolidate, it has to come down to this 460s, mid 460s level at some point in time, right? So I seriously believe that the downfall has started happening. Already from 475 it has come down to 472. I believe if an FSW draw continues to happen regularly once in 15 days, then the scores will come down ideally to somewhere around this 460s range, right? So if you are someone who's eagerly waiting for the scores to drop down, now is your time. So please go ahead and prepare yourself, get your scores done, get your ECA done, make sure that you're creating a profile at the earliest, and I wish you the very best for getting an invitation at the earliest. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much. I really hope you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends in case you loved this, and in case if you want to share anything, if I've made any mistake, and just post that on the comments. I'm willing to learn from you guys too, right? So I'll be back with another video, guys. Until then, it is Ajay signing off. Take care. Bye bye.